Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. I don't always look this fabulous, but when I'm painting my basement ceiling, I put on one of these Medical Nation full suits. These suits are awesome. Paint was going everywhere, and this kept us nice and clean and safe. Now, these are disposable suits. We did kind of want to see how long they lasted. My husband did wear the same suit 4 different times before he ripped a hole in the seam. So yes, these are disposable, but it doesn't mean that they're flimsy and they're not going to hold up to a lot of wear and tear. We did get these suits in a size large. I'm 5'5", my husband is 5'10". It was a little long on him, so if you're taller, it's still going to fit. If you have larger feet or you are wearing boots underneath this, you're still going to be able to. It's got a lot of room in it without being overly baggy. I liked that they're comfortable to wear. They're not itchy. If you're doing any type of painting, especially with a sprayer, then I would highly recommend getting one of these suits. They are definitely worth it, and they're going to keep the paint out of your hair, off your clothes, off your body. They are just awesome. And that's my point of view.